Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book Class 2nd. As you can see, there is a picture of palm. We have to draw with pencil and color with the oil pastels. Now, if you are able to draw hand, you can draw it, unless you can trace your own hand and draw the design inside, but my hand is a little bit big, that's why I'm not able to fit inside. That's why I'm trying to do the drawing with the pencil and trying to fit should be inside, but as a student you are able to fit your hand inside on that page. Easily draw the outline along with your fingers and all hand, and then inside draw the design and color it. Okay, here color is already given. If you don't have the same color shades, you can make changes and color with the different colors of your choice. When you coloring any part, paint the outline part first and then paint inside properly. If any white part remain is there, you can overlap color on it. Okay, if you want to do the border, you can use a black color sketch pen there to do the border, but here I use a permanent marker to do the border. You can color with the pencil color also, but first of all, as a student in second standard, we have to follow the technique first with the oil pastels, then color pencil. Step by step we are going to learn this all colored medium, poster color, watercolor, one by one. Okay, and their techniques also we are going to learn. Okay, but in this class, oil pastel is a good medium to color it. Coloring is almost finished. After that, if you want to make smooth with the help of this type of tools, you can know that this type of tool is coming with that colors we can use to make it smooth and plain. But when you using that, take one tissue paper or rough cloth with you. Every time make it clean, because when you using such type of tool, the color will mix. Okay, in dark color is not any issue, but there is a yellow color also there, light pink color also there. That's why be carefully when you using such type of tool. Make a smooth like this. After completing all color and border, it's look like this. Today we learn page number 11 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book Class 2nd.